So I'm going to show you how to create a sign like this, which is inspired from Toy Story. Okay, if we select the text tool, click, I'm going to type out the word Andes. I'm going to choose a height of about 60. And then I'm going to choose a font called Peace Sans. And I'll leave a link to this in the description. Then I'm going to copy and paste that, double click and type out room. And I'll choose a height of about 40. And just make sure that's 60. Okay, and then we just need to horizontally align both text. From there, if we click and drag this, we can put an arc to the word Andes. Then right click and split text. Then we can choose each letter one by one, and using the arrow keys we can move left and right. And we're just going to align them so they're all equally spaced, close together. Then what we need to do is select each letter of the Andes word one by one and offset by 4 millimeters. So I'll just speed this up. Okay, then I'm just going to make sure that there is a nice overlap on each of these letters. And we can also zoom in and resize and rotate there. And we're just going to drop the S down just so it's similar in line to the A. And we'll do that with the Y. Okay, then we just need to select the room word and offset that by 6 millimeters. And I'm just going to group the word Andes and horizontally align. And I'll do the same with the word room. So what we're looking for is an overlap of the outside of the word room to the outside of the Andes word, just here and here, which is looking good. Then we can resize the whole sign to about 300 millimeters and make sure it's horizontally aligned. From there, I'm just going to zoom out a bit. What we need to do is if we select the word Andes and put onto the engrave process, everything's blacked out, so it doesn't know what's inside and outside. So we just need to ungroup, and then for each of the letters, we need to select the whole letter and choose Convert to Path. Then select everything again, and then choose Make Compound Vector. And if we put onto the engrave process, everything looks correct. So we just need to do that for each letter of the word Andes. Okay, and then we can make some fine adjustments and just make sure everything's overlapping a bit and just get it to look exactly like you'd want. And once again, I'm going to right click and group and horizontally align and then ungroup. And we can move the room word and just make sure it is still overlapping here and here. And from there, I'm just going to select everything and copy and paste. So we have an exact copy. Then we can select everything and choose Unite. Then all we need to do is right click, release compound vector, and then delete all the text on the inside. So we're just left with the outside shape. Then we can copy and paste the word room and move that down and choose ungroup and delete the outside shape, leaving just the word room. And if we zoom in, we can look at the word Andes and we can select the whole word and choose Unite. We can delete the word room Now we just need to make a copy and paste of that. And on this one, we can right click, release compound vector and delete the outside shape. Then select everything and choose make compound vector. Okay, if we start with the outside shape, we'll put that onto the red layer and put it onto the engrave process. And we're going to choose these two words and put them onto a yellow engrave process. And we can choose this one and we can put that onto a blue. Now, if we just select that, we need to right click and arrange bring to front. Drop that down. And we need to do the same with this one. Arrange, bring to front. And then we can place that one in here. And we need to do the same with the room word. We can just manually alter some of this. And once everything's looking good, we can then resize to be whatever size you'd like. And if we made a copy and paste, we can then start moving things down. And you can see there's the individual layers. Well, I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.